Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry spa metal-free. What is natural chemistry spa metal-free? Spa metal-free is a highly effective metal deactivation agent that prevents staining and discoloration from trace metals such as iron and copper. These trace metals may already be in the spa-fill water or in water added to maintain water level. Product benefits: prevents calcium and mineral scale buildup, controls staining, phosphate and acid-free formula, compatible with all spa surfaces and sanitizing systems. Usage directions: this product is designed for use in properly balanced spa water. Initial dosage: add 1 capful, 4 ounces, per 400 gallons directly to spa water evenly around the edge. Weekly maintenance dose: add 1 ounce per 400 gallons, 1/4 of the large cap, weekly directly to spa water evenly around the edge. Do not exceed recommended dose. Note: cationic polymers used in many clarifiers, flocculant, and polyquat aldehydes should not be dosed to spa water at the same time as metal control products. Cloudy water, precipitation, and reduced product effectiveness may result. Wait 24 hours between additions. Do not use with biguanides. Additional information. Advantages: spa metal-free does not contain phosphonic acids and will not raise phosphate levels in spa water. Tips: spa metal-free cannot be used with a clarifier. The polymers in both products are negatively charged. They will repel one another and cause cloudy water. You can use spa metal-free with spa clear because it is a chitosan-based product and does not contain polymers. Color is clear to amber liquid. Can use spa immediately after use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.